Hey guys, welcome to today we're gonna be playing this day. A boy. Dennis Daily. Oh, so let's go to Dennis Daily. Okay, let's do the Dennis Daily. Let's read a little bit. Winners will be awarded with finished. Yeah. Okay, what's in here? Nothing. Okay, so let's do stage 1. Okay, this is basic. Come on, all these basics. 2. Stage 2, guys. Let's go. Stage 3, bacon hair noob. Bacon hair noob. Bacon hair noob. Okay. So 4, I think it's this. So it's this. 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 Yeah, so it's 7, 8. 8. Whoa. Thank you. 9. Whoa, I thought I died. 10. 11. Okay, guys, we're almost done. Oh my god. First try, please. First try, guys. First try, yes! 12. It's from 12. The trick is you have to put your mouse down, and if it goes like that, you can go through. But if it goes like this, it's like that, you can't go through. So, ready? See? 13. 14. 15. We're on 15, guys. Okay, guys, this is a really good video. Let's get a lot of likes, guys. 16, 17. I can't wait till we. Oh! Come on, dog. Nope. Let's go. Even a bacon hair noob can do this. I can't. 16, 17. I'm around 17. Let's do. I see this one. Oh my god. So easy. Oh my god. Oh my. Do this. Let's go. 18. Let's do this. Do. 19. Dude, I landed right on you guys. 19. 20. Oh my god, dog. 21. 21. 22. Do. Oh my god, dog. 23. 24. Round 24, guys. This maze is easy. I'm a pro at it. This is what a noob does. Pro does. A noob goes the wrong way on purpose. Oh! First try, guys. What? Ha! No. Go. Oh! How did I do that? 26? What the heck? 6. What the flip? Oh my god. Walk through. What? Oh. Why? Oh my god. What the heck? Wait. Oh my god. There we go. 27. 7.8. 28, but 29. Why? No. How did I not miss that? How did I miss that? 30. This is easy, guys. You don't even know how easy this is. I can make it first try. 31. This is so easy. Jumping on Dennis. I don't want to jump on Dennis. This is awesome. Guys, Dennis is so awesome. Why would you want to jump on Dennis, guys? What do you guys want to jump on Dennis now? Jump on Dennis is not cool. Not cool to jump onto those 35, I think. What? I was like, how are we supposed to make that? 36. 37. We're at 37 right now, guys. I think there's another. Is that another maze coming up? I don't know, guys. Wait, what? No. What? This could be this one. I got it. This is easy. Get first try. I heard that this one's pretty hard. People say that. Wow, that's easy. Why do you guys think it's hard? I thought it was hard. That's what my friend said. I guess he sucks at it. First try, 43. Oh, I forgot about this one. Second try, guys. Let's go. We are on 43 right now, guys. Yes, 45. I'm waiting for this. Forget this first video. How did I feel on that? That was so easy. Okay, the balls, the golden ball. Use the white balls. This is easy though. 47. No, that's not easy. No. Wait, can I just do this? Wow. That was easy, guys. This is really easy, I gotta say. Okay, guys, I hope if you guys like and subscribe and turn that notification bell on and change the thing red to gray, I will do like so many parts of getting the bubble wand. Oh my gosh, yeah, I will do so many parts of getting the bubble wand. And if we hit 8,000 likes, yeah, I'll do the same thing. I'll get a whole video of getting the bubble parts of probably a whole video of getting one bottle, probably parts. And if you do that, I'll actually try to friend you. And you can read my videos, guys. For real, not lying, guys. You should try subscribe and do it. I'm not lying. I'll prove it. And you have to tell me your Roblox name now. In the chat. In the chat. 50. Oh, that bacon. I'm a noob. I just jumped on. I was like, oh, let's go off. That was a noob. That was a noob, dude. That's a noob, dude, right there. I'm just so a noob. I'm such a noob right now. 58. Oh my gosh. Are you serious? It's not cool, guys. That is so not cool. Nah. Yes. Let's go. Flip, and then go over here. 60. Let's go over. Bro. Flip. What? I'm gonna see if I can do it fast. Yes, I did it fast. I always wanted to do that. This is yo. Put your shoes, dog. Let's go. Let's go. 63. Way too busy, guys. You can't use it. 64. Way too busy, guys. Yes. Yes. Yo. No. I hate myself. This game, like, literally, this is so easy. I can't even talk. This is kind of like Ninja Warrior. But in the sky, we're in the sky, and if we fall, we die. Free! This is easy. Oh, I'm not gonna fall in the hole. Oh, yeah, I'm a noob. Yeah, I'm a noob. I don't know how to do it. Yeah, I'm a pro. Because I know how to do it. Noobs don't. Is that the next maze over there? I hope there's not a next maze. Please don't. We have to go into Denis's now. Oh, guys. Bro, we can customize our character, guys. I think. Because that's what it looks like. 23. 74. Let's go. Balls, big balls again. There's some blue big balls. 75, I think it's this way. Yeah, I think it's this way. No worries, this guy. Dead end, it could be this way. It could be this way. This way, this way, this way, this way, this way, this way. What did you do? What away? What a rigged. How rigged? No. So now it's this puppy. So now it's this way. We don't know which hole it is. This way. Could be this way. It has to be. This way looks like light. You're not. Oh. I missed this. Wait, no, it's this way. Can we go this way? Can we go? This is annoying. Nah. Yeah. 76. Yes, we made it. Wow. Oh my goodness. Bacon hairs. Sure. Bacon hairs. Wait on. This, baby. Say these. Okay, we're almost finished, guys. I think there's 100 of them. Yeah, there's 100. I think there's 100, guys. Oh my god. I know. Okay, but go over here. What is that, dude? Oh my, I hate this. Okay, so jump on there, 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 jump on there. And he said, hey boys, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. What? What? Oh, wait. Oh, we can't touch the wall. That's what. 90. Let's go. Wait, this one? I know that's a trick. Baby. Boy, let's go, guys. Guys, do you think we're gonna finish this video with doing this whole lobby? I hope we do. It's only been 13 minutes, guys. 13 minutes. Wait, don't do it end. Come on, go, go, go. No. No. Okay, guys, I think I need to stop talking for a minute. Let me just stop talking for this whole thing, because this might be a little hard. I need to concentrate, guys. Well, it's not hard, guys. I think I can talk. What? I tapped it. Oh my. Oh my god, I hate this game so much. What the flick? Flick. Try that again. Yo, go. 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 Oh, guys, but I failed. Let's go. We're about to win, guys. We're about to win. No way. We're about to win. 99. Dude. Okay. Let's put a hat on, guys. This. I'm almost sure.